So today we're going to review uBanker.com website. uBanker.com is a brand name of Greenpole Limited. In order to ensure the highest levels of security and safety for the business activities, uBanker is here to basically meet the user's requirements and needs by updating their procedures and internal regulations according to the individual client's needs. Okay, so as we can see here, this is the website, uBanker. You can watch a video if you want to understand a little bit more. You can see what others are doing. You can see that you can download an app. You have the live ratings, and you also have reviews, so you can see what previous clients that have been using uBanker think about the platform at the moment. Okay, so if we decide to open an account, we can either do it here, or you can click here on open an account. And here we see that to register, we can enter the full name, the email, the country, the phone number, tick I agree with the terms and conditions, add verification code if you wish to, and you can start straight away. Okay, so if we go into the menu button, we can click here. We see the home search, and there's the login and sign up. So this is where people can log in or sign up if they haven't done so. We can also see that you can download the mobile app. So it's available on both Apple and Play Store, which makes it easy for users to basically trade anywhere or at any time. The apps give users the possibility to follow market trends, place orders at high or low limits, and even gives them the possibility to invest safely by letting users decide the limit of investment they want to spend on. So that is quite useful. Okay, the self-study course. So uBanker.com also provides, as we can see here, an extensive self-study course to ensure that users start the best way possible by learning and understanding the fundamentals and techniques of trading. You trade, as we can see here. So we have trading platforms, trading assets, and trading conditions. So if we go on trading platforms and we open mobile profit, okay, so this is basically the page where users can access to see the mobile trading platform that you can see here, and they can trade anywhere, anytime. So this is the page. You can download on the App Store and on the Play Store. Okay, the next one was Web Profit. Let's open that. Okay, so as we can see, uBanker also provides a web-based profit platform that allows users to place orders with only one click. They can follow all the important news, and as we can see, it's a web-based platform. And here you have an example of how it would look like for you. They can follow all the important news, receive daily analysis, and get updates directly from the platform. Okay, trading assets, CFDs. Let's open that. Okay, so CFDs, or contracts for difference, are tradable instruments that allow the traders to buy and sell shares, indices, commodities, and currencies without physically actually owning them. So the CFDs do offer higher leverage and greater potential returns, but it also means that there is a better risk involved in these trades. So users should always make sure that they are not using too much leverage. And here below, we can find a list of the tradable CFDs that uBanker offers. So we have Boeing, Coca-Cola, Apple, Bank of America, and etc. As we can see, the list is quite long. Okay. So then we have the commodities. If we open the commodities page here. Okay, so uBanker as well gives users the possibility to trade soft and hard commodities, which are a great way for users to diversify their portfolios, lower their risk, and make more profits on the Forex market. Some soft commodities include coffee, sugar, wheat, etc. And hard commodities can include oil, gold, silver, and more. Okay, and here below, as the previous one, we can also see a list of tradable CFDs that uBanker offers. So it includes silver, gold, copper, crude oil, and quite a few more that we can see here. Okay. Now, if we move on to the next one, which is currencies. Where are we? Here it is. Okay, so this also applies to all the currencies which we can see here on this page, and the list of tradable currencies with uBanker. So same here. You have the examples, the currencies that users can trade. Okay. Right, if we move on to indices. So here we can see that uBanker offers 7 indices, which also shows, as we can see, the opening and closing times. It includes the CAC 40 from France, the DAX index from Germany, the Dow Jones, the NASDAQ, the FTC. All the biggest ones are on this page. So there's lots of companies that users can trade with. Okay, and if we go into the shares, so uBanker, as we can see, also offers users some of the most sought after shares on the Forex market. As we can see here with the list below, where it talks about each stock, what the company does, and the open and closing time for when users can trade them. Okay. Now, if we go into the trading conditions, okay, so in order to offer the best trading conditions on the market for users, every uBanker trader can start trading after a $200 deposit. All deposits in other currencies will be converted to US dollars. The trading hours at uBanker are from 22 GMT on Sunday night until 22 GMT on Friday night. However, you do have to know that some CFDs have their own trading hours, as we can see here outlined below for the US market, European, Asian markets. Some of them have different ones. Okay, when a user's account equity reaches 0, all their open positions are closed automatically by the system, which is called margin liquidation, and which is uBanker's way of keeping a user's balance from becoming negative. Okay, so if we move on now to uData, we can see here the live rates, which shows users up to the second currency exchange rates in the Forex market. We have the market news, which shows the market news, also shows the latest news related to trading, company decisions, and global market changes. And we have trading trends that analyzes past and current information to try to help predict the future movement of assets. Then we have the financial. When we move to the account funding, so that's where users can fund their accounts through different secure payments, which include credit card, debit card, wire transfers, and others. And the announcements, which is any type of announcement that uBanker feels that users should be aware of. Okay, so this is the deposit page. And as we can see here for the deposit page, users have to type in their username and password to log into it. You can also chat live directly to uBanker personnel if you have any particular requests, or you can also contact them by sending them a message. Okay. So the withdrawals, let's open this page. Okay, so for the withdrawals, we can see here that it's easy to deposit money and also easy to withdraw. You have a list here that basically tells you what they will require from you in order to proceed with the withdrawal. So they'll need a copy of your ID, passport, driving license, proof of residence, signed contract, credit card copy. It may seem like a lot, however, this is to make sure that all the security and precautions are taken into account. Okay, client terms and conditions, which is basically the terms and conditions from uBanker that users should definitely read about before making any sort of decision. Okay, we have the position insurance, which talks about the position insurance terms and conditions, and we have the AML policy, which is the anti-money laundering, that refers to a set of laws, regulations, and procedures intended to prevent criminals from disguising illegally obtained funds as legitimate income. And then we have the privacy policy, which is all about the user's policy. Okay, and then we have here about uBanker. So we have our story, which basically tells about uBanker and how it was set up. There's the contact us page, which we're going to open right here. So here you can make a request. As you saw, they can also provide an email. You can provide a phone number from which you can contact, and they also have, as we can see here, WhatsApp, email, phone. And previously we also saw that they had a live chat button. Okay, regulation and protection. So that's a section where users can look to understand the different levels of regulation and protection that uBanker follows, and the website terms of use, which basically is the terms for the users that you can click on it and read about all the information from it. And as we see here, we have a live chat button. Well, thank you very much. And this was the presentation for uBanker.com.